Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I'm participating in the Hollywood Glam Tablescape 2020 collab hosted by Ellen of Glamour Ellen and her co-host Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIY. In this particular collab, we were to create a Hollywood Glam Tablescape. It could be old Hollywood, it could be vintage Hollywood, it could be new Hollywood, or anything like that. Let's see. We were to name the tablescape Hollywood Glam Tablescape. The hashtag Hollywood Glam Tablescape 2020. I'm reading off my phone. We were to upload today at 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time and just have some fun. So if you are interested in doing home decor, shopping, thrifting, DIYs, and tablescapes, all of those channels, Glamour Ellen and Me, Myself, and DIYing it, and myself, we all do those kinds of things. Each of us has our own different style. And then if you check out the playlist for the collab, you're going to see a lot more different creativity and uniqueness. I will link their channels in the description box along with the playlist. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And then hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new video. Now, my tablescape, I used the period during the Art Deco period, the Harlem Renaissance of old Hollywood. During that period, it was a big transition for styles and techniques. They used a lot of linear and straight lines and very plain and simple, but it was with opulence and glamour. So that's what my tablescape is, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, so each place setting is essentially the same. They have the same dinner plates. The four in the middle have the same bowl, and then the head of the table place settings have different bowls. All of the salad plates are different. Came as a set. I got them from the thrift store. The beaded placemat goes beautifully along with the Art Deco theme with geometrical shapes and patterns. I used lots of gold and accented it with the white. I shot my home for 99% of everything on this table. The only thing that I didn't have was the black geometric candle holders, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and the vase in the middle because I didn't have a gold vase. So thank you guys for coming by. I really appreciate it. Again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also go by and check out the playlist. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Thank you, Glamour Ellen, for hosting this wonderful collab, and your wonderful co-host, Tammy, of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. I really appreciate you guys. You guys rock. And as I say after every video, you guys be blessed, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.